best software tools to use for MLM. So my name is Bernard C here, and today I'll be sharing with you another freemium tool that way you can use in your MLM business to create multiple quick designs and icons and photos quickly within a few minutes, all right? So today we're gonna share with you this tool called Canva. So Canvas is actually a freemium tool, as I mentioned before. Before that, let's check the pricing plan before I log into the interface. So you can see that Canva actually has 3 plans. So the free plan is for now is quite enough for me because I can have about 8,000 plus free templates, 100 plus design types, social media posts, presentations, letters, and more. And I can have hundreds and thousands of free photos and graphics already. So right now, what I feel that this is enough for me. But in future, I'll definitely need to upgrade to Pro version because I can have more free stock images. I can even resize the graphics that I have instantly with just a few clicks, and also download transparent backgrounds, and most importantly, create folders so that I can organize all my designs properly. So right now, all my designs are quite cluttered in one uncategorized folder. So that can be inconvenient to maybe some of you because especially when you're working for multiple clients where you need to organize things properly. So if you if you actually need multiple folders, especially if you have multiple clients to work for, or or if you're doing MLM business, especially that where you have quite a lot of quite a lot of plans and designs that you need to create for your team, then the Pro plan is the best for you. Okay. All right. So without further ado, let's go back and log in so that I can show you what's inside and what's in it for you. Okay. All right. So just logging into the account. Okay, so this is actually the interface here. So if you want to create a design, you can either search here, maybe say, yeah, just say Facebook ad cover. Yeah, they have a lot of pre-made de pre-made templates for Facebook ads, Facebook cover, and even YouTube. You can see here quite a lot, and even Instagram posts and so on. Yeah, if you want a full list, you can actually check it right here. There's actually a lot for you to actually choose from. You can even choose from here the thumbnails, the posts and stuff. Yeah. So these are all the pre pre-made templates for you, so you can quickly get started in your to actually design graphics for your business right now. So you can see here are my past designs that I actually made, and I have even other templates like posters, logos, Instagram posts, presentation, Facebook posts, and many more. So without further ado, let's click any one of them and just, well, play around with the interface for a while, alright? So if you want to actually experience it yourself, then it's best that you you sign up an account by yourself, or appreciate that if you can use my referral link, which is here, refer friends. Yeah, because if you refer friends, you can actually earn one Canva credit where you can use that credit to exchange for premium stock images available inside Canva itself. So I would highly recommend you to use my referral link right here. I will paste it in the video description below so that you can actually use it and also earn a Canva credit for yourself, all right? Okay, so without further ado, let's go in, move on to, okay, let's say I feel like creating an Instagram post. All right, I mean, since since we are talking about, well, designs, then I'll just move on to this. So, okay, prevention maintains physical distancing. All right, World Health Organization source. Okay, that's a good image. So if let's say I want to edit the text, just double click here. Oh, okay, this is locked. I see. All right, can't be edited. All right, maybe I have okay, this template is not suitable. Maybe I go for another template. Maybe say Women's Day. Okay, now I can edit this. Alright, just now the template was locked because well, it's outsourced, so well, you can't really edit it. Alright, so this is how the free plan looks like right here. So if you have the pro plan, you can also resize. You can resize and even download transparent backgrounds and so on and so forth. You can even share directly, copy the link and you can paste on any social media platform, but usually I prefer to download and upload the image again. Yeah. So let's say you want to edit here. Well, maybe say woman in picture. Yeah. Okay. Well, instantly you'll get it done. You can even change the font, well, the font types. Yeah, just playing around here so that I can show to you all or watching this video right now. Yeah, you can change font size here instantly. You can even change the font size, make it, okay, this is a bit too small. Yeah, make it a bit smaller. Yeah, you can even change the text here, so on and so forth. Maybe I'll say, well, to put test here. Well, quite a cool word, right? You can even change the images. You can change the color directly here. Well, we'll pick red for this time. Yeah, just something like this. Just an example here. Yeah, you can even upload the. You can even upload your photos. You can see here I can upload your own photos or even your own videos as well. Yeah, so you can see there's a lot of pictures you can use. So if you can see there's a crown here, usually you need to upgrade to Pro plan to actually get access to these stock images. Otherwise, you can use the free plan if that is enough for you. Okay, so if you have the premium points that I've actually shown with you using my referral link, you can actually get more of these images. Yeah, you can see here. Yep, you can either pay $1 for the image or you can get Canva Pro. So for some images, you can trade it using points. So right now there's a lot of icons here, so I can't really remember which one actually allows you to pay for points and such. But nevertheless, you can actually find it out yourself. All right, so I'm just showing how this interface can be used. Okay, so you can even add new page if you are doing a slideshow. You can change the zoom size. You can zoom closer, or you can just fit, or you can just fill the screen. Yeah, that's up to you. All right, so well, if you want to download, usually I prefer to download the image, as I said before. So if you download and have a pro plan, you can actually have a transparent background. You can even compress file depending on where you want to upload in your website. Especially when you have limited server space, then well, it's better that you compress the file. Otherwise, you can otherwise you can just download as it is, or you can change the file type right here, up to you if you want. Yeah, if you want to create GIFs, you're gonna need a pro plan as well. Okay, so that's it. That's all for the preview for today on Canva. Yeah, so for my personal review, I believe that Canva really helps me in my MLM business because it allows me to create images really quick, although I am not proficient in using tools like Adobe Photoshops or Adobe Illustrator or the creator tools and so on, the professional tools used by designers. So this is actually a perfect alternative for you, especially for beginners who do not have a very good design background. Then Canva is a very good tool for you, very user friendly. You can see here that you can quickly get, well, simple designs for you to use in your business. All right, so before you go, please don't forget, use my referral link so that you can get free Canva points that you can exchange for premium images as well. All right, I'll post this referral link right below this video under the video description. You can find it right there. Or if you are from the if you are reading my blog, you can actually get it in get it in a blog as well. Okay, without further ado, this is Bernard C here signing off. All right, till then, take care and stay safe. All right, see you guys.